Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the device and PC so recovery works. Plug the phone into a PC with USB 3.0, enable USB debugging, and confirm battery above 50%. Once done, open the recovery tool and choose a read-only scan mode. This prevents further writes that overwrite deleted data. Make sure to allow any device prompts, and if asked, select MTP or file transfer. Starting safely maximizes recoverable files and reduces corruption risk. Now run a deep, sector-level scan so the tool can read remnants of deleted files. This takes longer but finds more data. As results appear, filter by type to quickly locate photos, videos, documents, or audio. You should preview files to verify integrity and check original paths and sizes. That helps you prioritize what to recover first. If the tool shows partial files, try alternate file type filters or extend the scan duration to recover additional fragments. Finish by recovering files to a separate PC drive or external SSD. Never write to the original internal storage. Once copied, open several recovered files to verify they are intact, and for critical documents, calculate checksums to confirm no corruption. If many files are missing or corrupted, create a block-level image of the internal storage and run recovery tools on that clone. This preserves the source. Troubleshooting tip: if scans return few results, switch scanning algorithms or use a different reputable tool to compare outcomes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.